Welcome to my video Job Opportunities for Instrumentation Engineers. For more details, you may visit lxpot.com. Why at all we need instrumentation? We have to monitor, record, control various parameters in the plant like pressure, differential pressure, temperature, differential temperature, various flows, solid, liquid, gas flows, levels, vibration, speed, and electrical parameters like volt, ampere, power, power factor. To do all these things, we need elaborate instrumentation systems. And to generate alarms and trips in case of abnormal conditions in plant. Operator may fall asleep, instruments won't. Instrumentation facilitates data acquisition and analysis. It facilitates automatic control of various parameters in the plant. We can do remote monitoring and operation. Interface with ERP, that is Enterprise Resource Planning System for Management Information System. It ensures equipment and operating personnel safety. Now let us see what are all the various components of instrumentation. Field sensors and switches, gauges and receiver instruments, PI, PID controllers, recorders, actuators, control valves, analyzers, PLC systems, DCS systems, special instruments. All are mounted in control panel. This is a typical control panel in a process plant. Here the indicators, recorders, switches all are mounted in the control panel. This is a classical control panel. Sometimes PCs are kept to indicate and store data. This is most reliable control panel. This is the modern architecture of instrumentation system in the control panel. Now you see the field sensors are in the field that you can see at the bottom section. Then cables are taken to the data acquisition modules in the panel. So these modules collect the data, process it and send to the central computer. This is the system architecture nowadays followed in most of the power plants. This is the most modern architecture of DCS system in any process plant. Now you see at the bottom we have shown this process plant. Then the sensors which are field bus compatible are connected to process station. Regular sensors are also connected to process station through input modules. Now these things are processed and it is taken to the control network. This control network gives information to the stations like lab computer, admin computer, information station, operator station, etc. From the bus, that is plant network, all the users are getting their data. Instrumentation engineers can go to various verticals, industry verticals like power, consultancy, process through chemical plants, refinery, oil and gas, cement, paper, instrument manufacturing industries, electronics manufacturing industries, nowadays startups, all are possible. Instrumentation engineers can look for opportunities in these areas. One is design and consultancy, maintenance area, manufacturing area, research and development, erection and commissioning, materials management, general management, software development, and teaching. One can choose the areas in which they want to work. If you choose to work in design consultancy function, what will you do? Your areas of work will be P&ID, that is process and instrument diagram preparation, open loop and closed loop control design, measurements and control table preparation, instrument specification preparation, valve sizing and listing, specifications of valves preparation, that is solenoid, pneumatic valve, motorized valve, control valve, etc. You have to list and write the specifications for various drives, flow element design, then instrumentation, installation diagrams preparation. The design and consultancy function continues. You have to prepare PLC and DCS specifications, input-output list preparation, human-machine interface design, control panel or control room design, earthing, illumination, lightning arresters, safety items, MCC, that is motor control center, electrical panel design and specification, cable engineering and cable specifications, quality assurance and control documents preparation, inspection, operation and maintenance manual preparation, field engineering support. All these things are functions of design and consultancy organization. In many industries, instrumentation engineers are employed in maintenance function. These people do periodic calibration of instruments and sensors, repair and maintenance, spares management, periodic replacement planning. Aim is to ensure zero downtime of plant. If you like R&D function, this is what is expected out of you. Writing R&D proposal and getting it approved, development of instruments and control systems, patenting and copywriting, then development of embedded PC, PLC based custom IC, SoC development. Then these equipments are to be field tested. So field testing and proving is an important assignment. Then type testing at reputed laboratories and international certifications like UL, CSA, CE, etc. Another important work is documentation and knowledge management. Then depending on the company policy, the whatever know-how developed is to be transferred to manufacturing, performance feedback and improvement. This is the excellent field for startups. This is an important area in instrumentation, that is erection and commissioning. You have to erect the instruments, sensors and panels in the plant as per the documentation provided to you. Field wiring, earthing, illumination installation to be done. Then cable tray has to be laid from field sensors to the control room like that, and these cable trays are to be supported. Cable laying in the cable trays, terminations and connections to various instruments and panels, etc. Then these sensors are to be calibrated in the field, that is called field calibration. Checking of total system and erection commissioning documentation. All these things are very important and crucial activity in the plant. Several engineers are needed for this function. So far we have seen the various areas of instrumentation. Select the area of instrumentation you want to work. Apply and do well in the interview and get selected. Congratulations.